Today, we're going to learn about the top 7 benefits to beetroot. You might even say that beets rock. Okay, that was my attempt at a pun. Hi, I'm Nanette, certified master herbalist and founder of aimtohealth.com. Before we get started, if you want to learn how to pick the best beetroot and prep it and store it and even how to make your own beetroot juice, go ahead and click the link up here and you'll learn how to in that video. So, to start off with, beets are loaded, mega loaded with important nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. This includes zinc, magnesium, fiber, folate, flavonoids, betaine, calcium, iron, and natural nitrates. So what do all these nutrients mean to us health-wise? So, health benefit number 1, the nitrates in beetroot contain 20 times more nitrates than any other vegetable. That's pretty fantastic. Nitrate converts to nitric oxide in the human body and is one of the most important molecules for blood vessel health. Nitric oxide increases blood flow throughout the body and can even help lower blood pressure. Nitric oxide also boosts blood flow to the brain. And numerous studies have shown that nitric oxide from beetroot has been increased in the human body by 21% within 45 minutes. Health benefit number 2, beets contain a very powerful nutrient called betaine. Betaine can reduce inflammation throughout the body, so beetroot taken daily can have tremendous benefits to your daily activity and even provides cardiovascular benefits. Health benefit number 3, beetroot can help to protect us from premature aging in several ways. Since beets are packed with skin-healthy antioxidants, these powerful nutrients protect our skin by neutralizing free radicals in the body. Health benefit number 4, beetroot contains large amounts of lycopene. Lycopene helps to keep the skin's elasticity and to protect it from sun damage. And that's pretty incredible. Health benefit number 5, beetroot is a very effective detoxifier for our liver. It can help to remove unwanted toxins and stimulate liver cells. Health benefit number 6, with all the nutrients and nitrates that beetroot contains, it can help boost your energy. And it can also enhance more effective workouts and provide greater endurance. Health benefit number 7, beetroot contains large amounts of fiber. This fiber can assist with the digestive system, stimulate the intestines, and even lower blood sugar. So there you have it, the top 7 benefits of taking beetroot every day, and I highly recommend that. I do it myself. You can slice up the beetroot, you can eat it in a salad, you can saute it, you can even shred it and put it in, bake it in a muffin. And what I like to do is I like to juice my beets, and I do that every single day, and I truly enjoy it, and I do see amazing benefits. So I recommend that highly that you try this, and if you like this video, hit the like button and be sure to share it with your family, your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and be sure to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time that I put out a video. And until next time, stay safe and be well.